Welcome back to the channel. The Kennedy half dollar from 1995 with the D Mint mark is far more than just another coin. It is a piece of American history that collectors treasure and investors seek out in today's coin market. With its bold design, its rich legacy, and its impressive presence in very fine condition, this half dollar stands as a symbol of lasting demand and growing value. The story of the Kennedy half dollar began in 1964, following the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy. The coin was introduced as a national tribute, and it quickly became one of the most beloved designs in American coinage. By 1995, the series had already been in circulation for over 30 years, yet its appeal remained as strong as ever. Each coin carried with it the spirit of Kennedy's legacy and the pride of American history. The obverse of the 1995 half dollar displays the timeless portrait of President Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts. His strong profile, his confident expression, and the fine engraving of his hair are striking details that make this coin so powerful. In very fine condition, these features remain sharp and attractive, capturing Kennedy's image with dignity and respect. On the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparro, we see the presidential seal, a majestic eagle clutching arrows of defense and an olive branch of peace, surrounded by radiant stars and the proud lettering, United States of America. This reverse design is one of the most iconic ever to appear on U.S. coinage, and its symbolism of power, peace, and unity gives the Kennedy half dollar enduring strength in the eyes of collectors. The D Mint mark, found just below Kennedy's bust, signifies that this coin was minted at the Denver Mint. The 1995 D half dollar had a large mintage, but coins that have survived in very fine condition with clean details and strong appeal are increasingly harder to find. Everyday circulation took its toll on most coins, leaving those that remain in better grades highly collectible. Rarity in coins is not always about how many were struck, but how many have survived with the beauty and detail that collectors crave. The 1995 D Kennedy half dollar in very fine condition is an excellent example of this principle. While millions were minted, most exist today in worn condition, so coins that retain their design strength are considered scarce and desirable. This coin also stands at an important point in numismatic history. The 1990s Kennedy half dollars represent the continuation of a classic series during a time when half dollar circulation was becoming less common in everyday transactions. Because fewer half dollars circulated in the 1990s compared to earlier decades, collectors now recognize this period as especially significant for those building complete sets. The action market for Kennedy half dollars is strong, and the 1995 D in very fine condition is no exception. Collectors seek out these coins at auctions, coin shows, and online marketplaces, and competition for well-preserved examples is high. This consistent demand has kept prices moving upward, making it a coin that holds both collectible beauty and investment potential. In terms of dollar value, the 1995 D half dollar goes far beyond its face value of 50 cents. In very fine condition, these coins can already sell for several dollars, and higher grade specimens can reach even greater prices. Exceptional examples in mint state or certified by grading services can command double-digit values, proving that this coin is not only historically meaningful but also financially rewarding. Collectors also value the 1995 D half dollar for its ability to complete sets. A full Kennedy half dollar set is one of the most popular U.S. coin collections, and the 1995 D plays a critical role in it. Because of its age, condition rarity, and iconic design, it is a coin that every serious collector wants in their collection, driving its continued demand. To protect its beauty and maximize its value, collectors are encouraged to keep the 1995 D half dollar in protective holders. Avoiding contact with bare hands and shielding it from moisture or environmental damage will ensure that the coin maintains its very fine condition. Preservation is key to long-term value growth, especially for coins with historical and collectible significance. Another exciting aspect of the 1995 D half dollar is the possibility of rare mint errors. Off-center strikes, double dies, and other minting irregularities from this period are highly sought after and can elevate a coin's value many times over. Collectors should always keep a careful eye out for such variations, as they can transform an already valuable coin into an extraordinary prize. The Kennedy half dollar has always been a coin with strong patriotic appeal, and the 1995 D issue continues that tradition. Its bold design, its connection to President Kennedy, and its rarity in better condition ensure that it will remain in high demand for years to come. This is a coin that represents both national pride and collectible opportunity, making it a star in today's market. In conclusion, the 1995 Kennedy half dollar with the D Mint mark in very fine condition is a rare and highly desirable coin that shines in today's coin collecting world. With its historical background, stunning design, scarcity in well-preserved grades, and growing market value, it stands as both a tribute to an American icon and a smart investment for collectors. Truly, this coin represents the perfect blend of history, artistry, and lasting demand.